Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. The selective adjustment layer is definitely a powerful method to change a certain color in Photoshop. And I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The Pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. First, create a selective adjustment layer and open the Selective Properties panel. You will be able to choose a color and then adjust that color with cyan, magenta, yellow, and black slider under this panel. For example, I choose the reds and slider the magenta to the left a little bit. This makes the red in the image go a little bit yellow and orange, and choose the cyans. Then magenta to the left and yellow to the right to make the light in the image a little bit to the Tiffany blue. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.